top of the morning to y'all. We are on our last day here at Disney. So excited, we're going to Epcot. We got up, about to get some breakfast, head to the park. We were able to get, I keep wanting to call it a fast pass, but it's like lightning lane. I was able to get the lightning lane for test track, so that's gonna be our first ride of the day. My ears, they're so cute. Go ahead, laugh. I know you want to laugh at me. It's okay. It's the part of being an influencer.
Yeah, so pay my bills for you.
Anyway, so we're about to go to breakfast. We pretty much are eating breakfast in the hotel. It's just easier. But we do have a lunch reservation for, is it Japanese or a Japanese restaurant at Epcot. So to the right, yes ma'am. No. Which way is it? That's going towards the parking lot. Yeah, so it's this way. It's this way. Every time we come off the elevator, we don't know where we're going. You're kind of in the background. Are you okay?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. So it's such a beautiful day outside. Like perfect breeze. This is my sister's weather. I'm a little chilly.
No, girl. Once we get in the sun, it ain't gonna be no breeze.
Yeah, it's in the shade, but the high is supposed to be 75 today, so we picked a good day to go to the park.
80 in Florida weather.
True, it's the humidity of Florida weather that really gets you. So yeah, I'm gonna try. We're gonna get some waffles because my sister said that Disney waffles are really good yesterday. So gonna get that because that bacon, egg, and cheese, it wasn't horrible, but there was a lot of egg in it. So gonna keep it simple, especially since we won't have lunch at 2 o'clock, so don't want to eat too heavy. So these are the waffles. These are so cute. Love the Mickey waffles. And a side of bacon and some apple juice. My sister got the same thing. And they got like natural breakfast, oh, I thought I said honey, breakfast syrup, so you know, trying to be somewhat healthy. I've never had the Mickey waffles. The amount of times that I've been at Disney, I have never once had the Mickey waffles, so excited. I mean, it's probably just regular waffles, but still, it's the aesthetic of having a Mickey waffle. The syrup's good. We made it to Epcot. It's definitely gonna be a hot day. So far it's a little breeze in the shade. But the good thing about Epcot is most of the rides are inside, except for like Test Track. So we'll have a pretty chill day here at Epcot. Not as much high intensity rides except for Test Track. But yep, so about to go through security and then get started. Yeah, we can see how long the wait is. Yeah.
So you're not gonna make it stop, bro? 39 minutes.
Oh.
35.
Let's see if we can find something that's like 20 minutes. We are heading to Test Track.
Take a nap, baby in the room, then we can swim.
Super excited.
You want soup?
their way up. Innovative growing techniques like these increase yields while more efficiently using resources like water, fertilizer, and pesticides. Another innovation at work here is our integrated pest management program. By populating our greenhouses with beneficial insects that prey on harmful pests, like aphids and flies, we are significantly reducing our reliance on conventional pesticides. We're growing these crops using our nutrient film system.
Soaring was a nice reprieve from a long day of walking and the heat, because it's hot. And that's a lot coming from me too, because I don't get hot easily. But now, now we're going to the seas. This is the right one, right?
I hope. Following you.
Does it say Nemo and Friends?
Nemo and Friends, it does.
Okay. So we're about to go through the lightning lane. I was like, what happened? So we are at 9 Dragons and we're gonna get some lunch. This feels more like dinner, but it's the menu. Got a Sprite, she got a strawberry slushie. Y'all, when I tell you I'm so hungry, I cannot wait to eat. Y'all, I don't know how people do this.
He is tired.
Like, people do this all day. Like, seeing the little kids knocked out in the stroller, I'm like, damn.
That could be me.
Okay, I would happily sit in a stroller. Anyways, we had good, feels like a dinner, but good lunch at 9 Dragons. So now we're headed to Mexico to do this ride, this boat ride. And then after the boat ride, we're gonna make our way back to the front of the park. Honestly, don't feel like we're gonna make it to the show. We might catch the fireworks, but I think our goal is just to get on Guardians and end the night that way, because we still have to wake up early tomorrow to catch our flight. And y'all know the Orlando airport is hit or miss sometimes, even with TSA, so we want to make sure we're on time. So yeah, we're passing, what is this we're passing? I think Norway.
Go Vikings.
Yeah, so I wish there was a time in Disney where it was like really like low season.
I know, yeah. Those are years and years ago.
Honestly, so and it's hard to like talk and walk and film, so I'm gonna catch up with y'all on the boat ride.
I'm sure it's gonna feel like it.
Hello my friends, we have just taken a break, much needed break, because our feet have been killing us. But we did Journey to Imagination, and then we took pictures with Vanellope from Wreck-It Ralph and Joy from Inside Out. So I'm glad we got some character pictures. Now we're about to head to the Disney, what is it, Pixar 4D movie, film, or whatever. So we're just trying to kind of kill some time before Guardians of the Galaxy is crossed. So yeah, it's significantly cooled down. So much better. So gonna go ahead and do that. And I think I'm just gonna do like a montage of all the photos in the video so y'all can see them. Just see how much fun we had. We got it! We got into the virtual queue. We're heading over to Guardians of the Galaxy. Oh, so excited! Because we really didn't think we were gonna make it, but I guess it worked out. So we're heading there. We have no idea what type of ride this is. All we know is it's a roller coaster. So we don't really know. And I'm like a little nervous, but we here. We gonna make it work. So yes, walking over there. Then after that ride, I'll tell you how it was, and then we're gonna try and get something to eat and kind of do that. So it's definitely cold now. It's not even cool. At least it's cold to me.
It's cold.
So I'm so tired of these kids and these bubbles. It just gets everywhere. Anywho, we are on our way. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Oh, one of the bubbles almost went in my mouth. Whew, this is a walk. But okay, y'all, we'll check back in later.
Our energy needs are vast. Our ocean maelstrom can power our land operation.
Is our APG, or ATL power generation, featuring a unique silicon-based life grid.
Y'all,
Oh my gosh, that ride was crazy.
it was so good. Oh my gosh, like 10 out of 10.
I couldn't catch my breath.
It was worth the wait. Like, I don't care what anybody says. That is an amazing roller coaster.
It is, but I'll never go on it again.
I definitely have to go on it again. So if you're ever at Epcot, listen, it's worth it. Guardians of the Galaxy. You need to be on it. Last meal of the night, cheese pizza with a Coke. Sister got pepperoni pizza and a water. Look at her being healthy.
You know, there's my Coke in here.
She always trying to finesse the system. So we are on. Say hey, girl.
Hello, last meal.
Listen, the way that we have eaten this weekend, I'm gonna have, ooh, child, I'm gonna have to get together because I have not eaten healthy at all. So, about to dig in. We're gonna try and catch the fireworks. We're not trying to see the whole show. We just want to see the fireworks and then go because we are tired and our bus comes at 8:10 in the morning. So we are trying to be sleep way before midnight. So that's the goal. Last thing of the night, fireworks. When I tell y'all, we didn't even try to like rush to find a spot. We were just here to see the fireworks. Ooh, it looks so pretty. Hold on, turn it around so y'all can see. Not me turning it around and the fireworks stop. We walked in and they like put my sister's ears on the bed. That is so cute. Oh, I should have left mine out. Well, y'all, we have made it to the end of the trip. we are so ready to go home. So we made it through TSA. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here just so we can get settled in and prepare to board our plane. So thank you all for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this Disney vlog. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the push notification button so you can see when I upload some more videos. Until next time, bye.